How to organize menus and navigation. Hello there. Today we'll teach you how to customize or edit the menus on your online store. So all you have to do is go to your Shopify account and on the left side panel of the screen under sales channel, click on your online store and go to navigation. When you go to navigation there, you'll be able to see the menus on the account where you can go to by adding a menu, or you can just edit the existing menu on the account. So when you click on add a menu, you can, for example, you will have another menu on the side right side panel of your screen. You can just click on the or type in the title or what is the title of the menu that you'll be adding. Then here you can add the menu items. You will be adding this on the right side of the screen where you add menu items. So you can just add the name and then provide the link, or with the pages that you have made for your online store, you can just copy the link and then paste it here on the bottom. Here you'll be able to see for example, this page, you wish to add this on the main menu on the account. So you can just copy the link on the lower most part of the page and then go back to navigation. Let's just add this to the main menu instead of creating a new one. So what you do here is click on add a main menu or menu items, and then here you can just name what you will be naming it on the main menu, and then you can just copy or paste the link on the box provided, and there you have it. The product has been added to the main menu items. Another option here for you is that when you click on add menu items, you can let's say we will add the page that we created earlier for the policies or shipping and return policies, and instead of clicking on the link, you can just click on the link bar and then go to pages, and it will provide you all the pages that you've created, and then you just click on the page we made earlier for the shipping and return, and that's it. When you click on save, when you go to your online store, here you can click on the online store and then the eye icon. When you click on it, it will write you to view your online store, and there it is. On the main menu, it already has the product and also the shipping and return policies. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.